Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler oil filter. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure you have the correct new oil filter for your specific model and the recommended amount of fresh engine oil. Always perform this task on a level surface to ensure safety and proper drainage of the old oil. This preparation makes the process smooth and efficient. Next, you'll need to drain the old engine oil. Locate the oil drain plug, which is typically found at the bottom of the oil pan underneath your Jeep Wrangler. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to ensure it catches all the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the old oil to flow completely into the pan. This step is crucial for a clean oil change. Now it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old oil filter, which is usually a canister-shaped component near the engine block. Unscrew the old filter and dispose of it properly. Before installing the new filter, clean the mounting surface thoroughly to ensure a good seal. Apply a thin layer of new engine oil to the rubber gasket of the new filter. Then, screw the new filter on by hand until it's snug. Finally, secure the drain plug back into the oil pan, tightening it to the manufacturer's specifications. Using a funnel, add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the oil fill cap on top of the engine. Once filled, start your Jeep's engine and let it run for a minute or two. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check for any leaks and verify the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.